Begin in a seated position. Settle in, let go of any thoughts or worries, simply shifting your focus to your breath so you can be present during your practice. Take a deep breath in and out. Lift your arms up to a 90-degree angle. On an inhale, extend the arms all the way up. Exhale down to 90 degrees. Inhale up, exhale down. Warming up the upper back and shoulders. Continue coordinating your movement to your breath. Releasing the arms down. Lie on your back. Draw your knees into your chest, opening your legs to the sides. Deep breath in, bend the knees, drawing the heels in towards the hips, and extend to the sides. Deep breath in, bend the knees, breath out, extend. Bring your knees back together. Extend your left leg, grabbing your right big toe, drawing your knee into your armpit. Breathe in, pressing your lower back into the mat. Breathe out. Feel the stretch in your hip flexors. Switching sides. Extend your right leg. Grab your left big toe, drawing your knee in towards your armpit. Breathe in, pressing your shoulders into the mat. Breathe out and relax. Release your legs down. Lift both legs up, bending from the knees for eagle legs. Cross your right knee over the left. Then wrap your right leg around the left, tucking your right foot around your left ankle if possible. To modify, feel free to simply cross one knee over another. Switching sides. Cross your left knee over the right. Snake your left leg around the right. Tuck your left foot around your right ankle if possible. Release your legs down. Slowly separate your knees to the sides, allowing the knees to fall to either side. Deep inhale, soles of the feet face each other. The sides of the feet are grounded. Exhale, grounding down through the lower back. Inhale, feel a nice stretch in the pelvis without forcing. Exhale, just relax into the pose. One more time, cross your right knee over the left. This time, cross your right elbow over your left elbow too. Wrap your arms around, bring the palms together. Draw your elbows and knees in together, keeping your lower back grounded. It's okay if your elbows and knees don't touch. Inhale. As you exhale, draw the knees and elbows together. Other side, cross your left knee over the right. Left elbow over your right elbow, wrapping the arms around each other. Deep inhale. As you exhale, draw your elbows and knees together, keeping your lower back grounded. Back to center. Release your legs and arms. Hold your right thigh, drawing your foot towards your head. To modify, feel free to tie a strap around your foot. Bend your right leg down. Breathe in, extend up. Breathe out, bend down. Switching sides. Keeping your right knee bent, lift your left leg up. Inhale, pressing the lower back and hips into the mat. Exhale, bending the leg down. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Slowly lower the leg down. Bring your feet over the two sides of the mat. Let your knees slowly fall out to the left, twisting from the belly. Lifting the knees up, let them both fall out to the right. Breathe in, twisting from the belly. Breathe out, grounding your shoulders down. Twist to the left and to the right. Go through this motion for a few breaths. Bring awareness to your body, your facial muscles, and your breath. Just relax. Come back to center. Inhale, bring your knees together, drawing them into your chest. Bring the soles of your feet together for a butterfly pose variation. Hold your feet, letting the knees fall out to the sides. Inhale, arms are extended. Exhale, feel a nice stretch in your hip flexors. Release the feet down. End this practice with corpse pose. Begin to bring your attention to your body. Feel the weight of your body. Feel the ground supporting you. Allow yourself to melt downward. Inhale through your nose and be aware of your breath. Find a place of stillness. Thank you for joining me in this practice. I hope to see you in the next one.